Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're gonna talk about another update to the Photos app in Windows 11. We now have a design overhaul and a lot of new settings and improvements to the Photos app in the dev channel, so you need to be on the latest build from the dev channel, which is 25,206, in order to get this new update for the Photos app. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install this new Photos app and also what is new, how it looks and stuff like that. So if you enjoy videos like these where I show you news about Windows 11, don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with this video. First of all, to install it, you're going to have to open up the Microsoft Store app, go into the library section in the left side, and then click on Get Updates in the right side. If you are on the latest dev channel build, you should receive this new version for the Photos app, which is the version 31090. Once all the updates appear here, you just need to click on Update All to have every Windows 11 app updated, including the Photos app that is receiving a new update. Now let's open up the new Photos app to see how it looks. First of all, we have a new icon for the Photos app, so it was completely rebranded. I mean, not completely, but it's really different. So I think it's pretty nice, a pretty nice icon. Of course, it doesn't matter that much, but design-wise, it looks really good. Let's open up the Photos app. And as you can see here, we have a new design for the main screen of the Photos app and new experiences. So here we can go in the right side and change the way that these pictures show up, and I think this is really nice, really cool. Of course, we have the import button and the settings button where we have a lot of settings. If I'm not mistaken, these settings were also changed to look better and to go hand in hand with the Windows 11 experience. If you go into settings, you'll notice something that it says Microsoft Clipchamp, install Microsoft Clipchamp. So an important change about this new Photos app is that we no longer have the ability to quickly edit videos in the Photos app, because Microsoft is now working with the Clipchamp app for that, so you can do video editing on the Microsoft Clipchamp app, and then of course you can install it. Another new addition that Microsoft is highlighting is that we have a memories section regarding to the OneDrive accounts. So if we click on the memory section, of course we're going to have to sign into OneDrive, and we will be able to relive special moments with memories, of course, if you have photos and stuff like that stored in your OneDrive account. All around, the Photos app was updated with a new experience, so we have a bunch of new animations, as you can see here, when you're selecting things, when you're opening up different section of the app, and in my opinion it is not really that laggy. It's pretty good. It's only a preview, so keep that in mind. It's not a final version or something, it's only a preview, but I think it's pretty good. We also have this menu here in the left side that you can minimize and expand. For a preview, in my opinion, this is really nicely done for Microsoft. And also, let's check out the default view. As you can see here, not much has changed, but we have a few new things here and there, with the mention that if you click on these three dots, you will have the quick link to create a video with Microsoft Clipchamp, so you can quickly insert photos or stuff like that and create a nice photo showcase, and you can add music and so on. As you can see, also the right click menu is a bit changed. I think this is only a small bug or something like that because we are in a preview, but there's a lot of empty space in the left side. Of course, this will be for sure fixed, and every setting is better categorized if you ask me. Also, in this new Photos app, we will be able to import and manage photos from external sources such as phone or camera, which is also a nice addition. And of course, we now have an integration to back up our photos directly into our OneDrive account. More info about this new version of the Photos app will be in the article below in the description, so if you want to check that out, you can do it by clicking the top link in the description below. But I'm hoping you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.